Tap the chug wash to start cleaning. Good job. Time to dry off. That looks great. Good work. Wilson takes a tour of Chug Patrol HQ. It's packed with gear. Then, it's off to Rocky Ridge Mine for training. It's a great place to fire flares.
Wowzer!
Flares are like fireworks, and they're just as dangerous. Chug Patroller, let's learn how to use them safely. Watch out, it's going to be loud. Action. Press the glowing button to fire the correct flare. Well done. Red means distress. Good job. Orange means danger. Great. White lights up an area. Good job. You've won a coloured flares badge. Now, fire some more. In the forest, the Chuggineers show Brewster how to lay track. Chuggineer Fletch does the digging. Then Brewster makes the ground flat.
Honking horns!
Tyne lays the track. Then Zach welds it all together. You'll never see the cracks. Come on. Let's help the Chuggineers.
We are chuggineering!
First, help Fletch scoop the soil. Good job. Now, help Brewster level the ground. Nice one. Next, help Tyne lay the track. Let's help Zach weld the track. Great work! You've won a track laying badge. Hanzo teaches Coco how to be a high-speed chugger.
Arriving at Checker Junction, doors opening. Watch your step, please. Be like a shadow, Coco.
Coco watches closely. Speed Fleet chuggers need excellent control, smooth braking. Let's show Coco how it's done. Are you ready?
Train-tastic!
Tap the flashing stop sign to slow Coco down in time.
Train-tastic!
Nicely done. Let's go again. Great. Let's have another try. Fantastic! You're right on time. You've won a Speed Fleet badge.